sisters, we have talked about God in the Bible. I got a revelation when God remembered me after 8 years and God gave me twins. It's like God was telling me time has come for you to know the God personally. Not the God in the Bible that people have talked about. He is a good God, He's a powerful God. But it's different when you understand, when you know this God as you. Not God of your pastor, not God of your friend, but God as you. Why? Because He has done something in your life that no one can dispute. Medically, Nakato was not supposed to live. I met a doctor one time when her doctor was on leave. Her doctor was on leave. Her pediatrician was on leave. A doctor was taking care of Nakato the day she was born. He was on leave. So I met a doctor who was standing in for him. When he looked at the records about her, he said, "This girl is alive. This girl is not supposed to live." Boldly, I told doctor, according to medical, she's not supposed to live. But according to the one I know, the giver of life, the owner of life, she's supposed to live because she is a living testimony. I told doctor, this girl is not born like any other child. She's born for a purpose. Number one, to prove to me that there is God of miracles. Then to the rest of other babies and other people who will want to know about God. Because every time she will talk about the God that saved her. So what I'm trying to mean tonight, that time has to come when you have to know God as you. Because of something that He has done. I can talk about God in the Bible. But when I start to talk about the God that I have seen, I'll need this microphone the whole night. Because I have the whole journey. I am not talking about what I've read on internet. I am not talking what I've watched on YouTube. I am not talking what I've listened somebody talking. This is my own story. That even when I'm sleeping, I can write it. Even when you just wake me from sleep and ask me, I'll tell you everything. So I have come to a point of preaching about the God that I've seen in my life. If you don't understand Him, it's okay. One day you will understand. It is one day you will understand. I look at her every day, I see God. Small but mighty. Very healthy. Very active. Born at 6.5 months. Less than 1 kg. Very small. That you could not admire. You could not even take a picture. People when give birth, they take pictures, they post on social media, they do what? It was a different case. It was on Saturday, because I was admitted on Wednesday. I gave birth on Wednesday. On Saturday, when I told Sister Betty why I went through what I went through. Everything is making sense now. There is a reason why I went through it. God would have done it. Because there's nothing too hard before him. Have people not given birth in full term? They have given birth full term. Everything was smooth. But my own case was tough for me to understand him. So that when I start to talk about him, I am not talking because I have heard a preacher talking. I have seen him. Where every day, since the day she was born, it was a journey of faith. Because you don't know what next they will tell you. As small as this. And you have to believe God. Every day it's a journey of faith. You don't know whether you go to the hospital, you'll find her alive. You don't know what news they can tell you. When you look at the face of the nurse, maybe she's telling you she's normal, but you find her in the incubator kicking, and you say, glory to God, today is done. You go to bed, you wake up at midnight. I called Betty one day because she's so close to me. I called, I told her God has given me a song. He gave me at midnight. I woke up from sleep when I'm singing that song. Betty performed that song because I was not ready to perform it. She performed it. Because I recorded myself for that song. When God gave it to me, I'm not a singer. But God gave it to me that day. He says, I am a miracle working God. Because all I wanted was a miracle. This is beyond human understanding. I pray that her pediatrician one day will accept to come. Because every time I take her, she always tells me this is the best pre-match I've ever handled. I have seen God. Somebody told me one day, say pre-matchers when they are born, they always have complications. One of it is sight, another is hearing. I told the lady, no. Not this one. This one is different. Call her name, she hears. Do like this, she sees. A very small tiny thing, she can crawl and go for it. This one is not like any other pre-match. There is a reason why. There is God in heaven. I'm saying all this for you to understand that we are not here to act drama. There is God who can do anything at any time. Trust Him. Depend on Him. Rely on Him. Just look unto Him. Sometimes close your ears. People said a lot. But in that moment, I only wanted to hear what is God saying. Close your ears. Do you know why you have to close? So that you don't hear anything that will divert you. You only want to hear what will help your faith. Because faith comes by hearing. And by hearing the word of God. Give yourself to the word of God. Not to the words. Don't look at your bank account. Of course, you can't do it with your bank account. But with God, you will do it. Don't look at connections. Because you don't have them. But with God, you will do it. Put your hands together and